Reevaluation. Now that several weeks have passed since you implemented your professional development strategy, briefly describe your success in resolving your financial FIRES problem statement. Are you celebrating each accomplishment? Refer back to the financial FIRES vision statement you wrote, describing your desired picture of the future. Is the future you are now experiencing anything like you expected back then? Why or why not? What tweaks or changes must you make to your professional development strategy? Are you on track to resolve your original financial FIRES problem statement and related goals? Is it time to repeat these process steps to resolve a new financial FIRES problem statement? Your financial FIRE is a profession and money management approach that creates a ring of protection around your balanced, values-driven life. All too often, the demands of work and financial management burn out of control, consuming energy from areas of our lives that should be supported and sustained by a well-managed financial FIRE. The biggest obstacle to lighting and tending a protective financial FIRE tends to originate in the mind. Mindsets like work and spend, and risk aversion can prevent you from moving forward in your life when it comes to work and finances.